Yo, what is up, guys? It's me, Marvel Sucks and Plays, and today we're back with another video. But today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple birthday invitation with using Canva's app, using an app called Canva. So let's start off. Let's start it off. All right. So first off, I'm gonna click custom size and choose an aspect ratio of 9 to 16, not 16 by 9, 9 to 16. So I'm gonna use 1080 times 1920, create new design. Sorry if my accent's getting a bit awkward, but okay. So here we go. So first we start with a blank page. And next up, so first we are gonna change the background color. But, I personally choose, I don't know, what do you think? I just prefer white because I'm just this kind of plain person. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for the background one. And next up, we are going to add the text. We are going to wait for the loading. So first, we are going to add a heading or subheading, but I prefer a heading. So first, we're going to type in, what's it? Let's see. Oh, Marvel's 14th birthday. Hooray. Oops, typo. Don't critic me for that. Don't criticize me for that. I'm so scared they're gonna critic me. So next up is change the font. You can click right here. Alright, you click this here and go to fonts. And then I'm gonna choose, I don't know, maybe Archival Black. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then change the color to what color? I think royal blue. Ooh, that's a special. That's pretty cool. Just like the name. So yeah, that's step number. I don't know who it is done. So next up, I'm gonna add a photo of me, but to make the photo even more attractive, let's go to Elements right here and choose a frame. You can scroll down and go to Frames. I'm gonna choose this circle one right here. I'm gonna spin it over you guys. And boom. You can resize it. Like I'm gonna drag it there. Boom. I'm gonna make it smaller. It's up to you. And then next up, we're gonna go to Uploads. Let's find a photo of me. Let's see what's my most handsome looking photo. Oh, this one looks cool as ever. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. And step adding the photo is done. Next up, we are gonna add the decorations of this, of the invitation. I'm gonna add this birthday surprise emote and put it, resize it, make it small. I don't know. I personally am gonna put it maybe in the corner, in the corners. I don't know, bottom corners, and copy it. Control C and Control V, copy to paste it, and boom, there you go. The decorations done. Actually, I'm gonna put them right here. Actually, I'm gonna put them right here because I'm gonna have to put something special there. So yeah. Oop. There you go. So next up, we are gonna add the event details, the birthday details. So first off, we're gonna add the name of the place, like the place, of course. We're gonna, oh, actually, you know what? Instead of using subheading, we're gonna add a little bit of body text. So we're gonna add, first off, we're gonna add the place, the location of the place. Location of the place. All right. Oops, there's a WhatsApp message. Location of the, oh dear. Sorry guys if I'm screwing it up so much. Okay, here you go. Um, instead of location of the place, just type location. It's much more simpler than, I know it's much more simpler, right? Yeah. So basically we're gonna add, let's see. You know what? I think we're gonna do a Ferrari museum. Yeah, we're gonna do a Ferrari museum. Ferraris, I don't know. Oof, the WhatsApp messages. Museum, Italy. Hold up. Italy, which city? Milan, maybe. Milan? Milan, I don't know. Sorry if I can't pronounce Italy's Italian cities correctly. I'm so sorry, people from Italy. Um, so next up, we are gonna add the time. Be sure to specify the time, European time, American time, or uh, Asian time. So we're gonna use it. We're gonna be using European time in this case. Time, and we're gonna let's see. 10. No. Maybe 9. No. You know what? I'll do 3. Let's do 3. 3 p.m. I don't know. 15 p.m. I don't know. Dash. You know what? To make the activity more worth it, let's do until 18. Yeah. You know what? No. 17:30 p.m. European time. And then we're gonna align the. Oh wait, before we continue, let's align our text first. I think that's aligned. All right. And next up, we are gonna add the activities. What are you gonna do there in the Ferraris Museum? Firstly, I think we're gonna do an exploration activities of activities. Explore the Great Museum. No, actually, explore the museum of beautiful cars made by Ferrari. By Ferrari. I don't know. Oops. Right there. And then, oh yeah, I almost forgot. We need to change the fonts, of course. Tip on selecting the fonts: don't choose too much fonts. Don't select too many fonts because it will look very awkward. So yeah, just try to minimize your at least three kinds of fonts, maximum 3, so it doesn't look like overdone or something. So yeah. So next up, we are gonna add the contacts, the people you can contact with, just in case if they get confused. For example, hey, which part of this, which part of that is this museum of Ferrari thingy? Yeah. I'm just trying to be as short as possible, as fast as possible, but you gotta be detailed at the same time. Contacts, WhatsApp contacts. Yeah, WhatsApp contacts. We gotta use WhatsApp this time. WhatsApp contacts. I'm gonna use Indonesian number because that's what I can think of. 0897. No, wait, no, that's the wrong number. 0897 dash 9876 dash 7563. Okay, there you go. And change the font again, obviously. There you go. Voila. And oh yeah, change the color. It might look boring with all blue everywhere. Let's make red. Yeah, red. Ferrari's red. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Is this a red? Is this red? Bright red. Oh, okay. So next up, we're gonna add more decorations, right? Even better. So we're gonna add more decorations, but before we add the decorations, go to Elements again and add a frame. Firstly, I think I'm gonna add this frame. This looks cool. Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So we are gonna add the Ferrari Museum. Let's say this photo. It's not the actual museum, but hey, this is just an example. This is just a practice for you guys. So yes, this is what it looks like in the end. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and let me know what else is missing from this birthday invitation. Oh, I almost forgot to add balloons. Oh no, balloons. Balloons! Balloons! Yeah! Oops, undo. Undo that. Add balloons. Oh dear. Oh. Add. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh no. There you go. I got it in. I got it in. Yes. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna make it? Ooh. Before we say goodbye. All right. Finally. Thank you guys for watching. Finally. Now, goodbye.